What is one economic characteristic of a good fuel? A. It is expensive. B. It is rare. C. It requires complex processing. D. It is cheap. The correct answer is D. It is cheap. Influenza is classified as what type of disease? A. Bacterial. B. Viral. C. Fungal. D. Protozoan. The correct answer is B. Viral. What is aspergillosis caused by? A. Bacteria. B. Protozoa. C. Fungus. D. Virus. The correct answer is C. Fungus. What is used as fuel for solar cells? A. Sunlight. B. Natural gas. C. Coal. D. Petroleum. The correct answer is A. Sunlight. What leads to a cross view when reading a measurement? A. Scale calibration. B. Unit conversion. C. Parallax error. D. Incorrect lighting. The correct answer is C. Parallax error. What happens to the magnetic force at a position where there is no deflection of a compass needle? A. It is absent. B. It is reversing direction. C. It is fluctuating. D. It is at its maximum. The correct answer is A. It is absent. Which type of substance is essential for heat transfer through convection? A. Fluid. B. Solid. C. Plasma. D. Liquid. The correct answer is A. Fluid. What year was the Anti-Tobacco Act passed? A. 2006. Born in 2008. Circa 2002. D. 2004. The correct answer is D. 2004. In which phase does the size of the planet Venus appear small? A. Crescent phase. B. Gibbous phase. C. Full phase. D. New phase. The correct answer is C. Full phase. What is the common name for Buckminster fullerene? A. Graphite ball. B. Bucky ball. C. Fuller's dome. D. Carbon black. The correct answer is B. Bucky ball. At what speed does the Earth move? A. 88 kilometers per second. B. 30 kilometers per second. C. 2.5 million light years s. D. 25 billion years s. The correct answer is B. 30 kilometers per second. Which location is mentioned for D. Perumal Raj, a BT assistant? A. Kordacheri. B. Valangaman block. C. Vanganur. D. Devrasholai. The correct answer is B. Valangaman block. Who developed the vaccine for chickenpox, cholera, and anthrax, among others? A. Robert Koch. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Alexander Fleming. D. Edward Jenner. The correct answer is B. Louis Pasteur. Which of the following is represented by A. in the resistivity formula? A. Amperage. B. Acceleration. C. Area of cross-section. D. Angle. The correct answer is C. Area of cross-section. What substance can change lime water into milky white? A. Nitrogen gas. B. Hydrogen gas. C. Carbon dioxide gas. D. Oxygen gas. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide gas. What is the modern chemical symbol for hydrogen? A. Hy. B. Hj. C. H. D. He. The correct answer is C. H. A person with myopia wants to see objects at a distance of 20 m. What is the required object distance, U, for the corrective lens? A. Plus 4 meters. B. Minus 20 meters. C. Plus 20 meters. D. A minus 4 meters. The correct answer is B. Minus 20 meters. What is the frequency of a sound wave that has a wavelength of 15 centimeters and travels at a speed of 300 meters per second? A. 2000 Hz. B. 45,000 Hz. C. 20 Hz. D. 45 Hz. The correct answer is A. 2000 Hz. Which term is used for the amorphous forms of carbon? A. Random carbon. B. Buckyball. C. Crystalline carbon. D. Amorphous carbon. The correct answer is D. Amorphous carbon. Which of the following is a common use for petrochemicals? A. Water purification. B. Manufacturing detergents. C. Food preservation. D. Metal extraction. The correct answer is B. Manufacturing detergents. What do myelinated and non-myelinated nerve fibers form in the nervous system? A. White matter and gray matter. B. Unipolar and bipolar neurons. C. Sensory and motor pathways. D. Muscle fibers and glands. The correct answer is A. White matter and gray matter. What specific technology developed for the ISS can help areas with water scarcity? A. Advanced propulsion systems. B. Solar power generation arrays. C. Water filtration and purification systems. D. Satellite communication technology. The correct answer is C. Water filtration and purification systems. Which piece of equipment is typically used to measure the volume of a liquid like lime juice? A. Measuring jar. B. Measuring tape. C. Beam balance. D. Stopwatch. The correct answer is A. Measuring jar. What is glucose broken down into during catabolism? A. Amino acids. B. CO2, water, and heat. C. Carbohydrates. D. Proteins. The correct answer is B. CO2, water, and heat. What constitutes the universe, similar to houses forming a village or city? A. Moons. B. Stars. C. Galaxies. D. Planets. The correct answer is C. Galaxies. What structure is found in the neck of the sperm? A. Hyaluronidase. B. Mitochondria. C. Centrioles. D. Acrosome. The correct answer is C. Centrioles. What specific disease is Pusa snowball K1 cauliflower resistant to? A. Leaf rust. B. Black rot. C. Hill bunt. D. Stripe rust. The correct answer is B. Black rot. What process involves changing the chemical composition of substances by chemical reaction? A. Respiration. B. Alchemy. C. Synthesis. D. Decomposition. The correct answer is B. Alchemy. Why are green plants considered autotrophic in their mode of nutrition? A. They absorb nutrients from the soil. B. They consume other organisms for food. C. They rely on symbiotic relationships. D. They can synthesize their own food. The correct answer is D. They can synthesize their own food. If a charge of 2C flows through a circuit for 10 seconds, what is the current? A. 0.2 A. B. 5 A. C. 0.5 A. D. 20 A. The correct answer is A. 0.2 A. How did you score?